I think the work of MP in Uganda is a very difficult work, Oscar. People want you to do work without any money. And I think that's the good MP. No facilitation, because all the time I have worked at Monitor, at Observer, even when Parliament buys you a computer, it's a story in a newspaper. Where I worked, I was being given airtime to do work. At Parliament, they give you airtime, it is a story in a newspaper. But this 20 million shilling, you will not find any complaint in my constituency. Because I started distributing food on day one. It's as if I asked, the first group I asked them.
Okay, not
when Mr. Museveni announced that there will be a lockdown, did he put a phrase that the next day you go to Semuju for food? I asked the first group, and I didn't know that these things are going to be bad. I am distributing food every single day. In the history, my history as a member of Parliament, I have returned the money twice. This particular one, even if you bring a caterpillar, and I want anyone to hear, because me, I don't pretend. I have seen Honorable Zaki writing that he wants to return. I want to go and plead with him to give it to me. Because I have policy centers, I am soldier, I have fought. Because I must balance between morality and starvation. So I have people who are feeding on porridge, pregnant women, and they hear that Semuju, because he wants to be a populist, is returning money. Let me tell you, on this one, you can bring 4 caterpillar. If they give it to me, they haven't given it to me. I am looking forward. Actually, I want to go and thank Kadaga and complain 20 is not enough. Because if the only job I am doing in my compound is to open and give people, I have been at Mandela. At one day Mandela closed. I had to go to Ofonopono to bring emails from Nachifuma. Is this my job as an MP? So if I go through this and I hear,
I hope you will
Mandela closed because there's no food.
The maize you gave me, the maize you gave me was for selling. Did you give it to me for free? And then I had to go to Mukono to a maize miller.
But did you
so what I am going through, Oscar, as an MP in an urban area today, it is something I have never gone through. If there are MPs who want to be populist, return the money. By the way, when I returned the money the second time, I had trouble. We were only 14. Even those who returned the money like they are now doing on social media, they ended up not returning the money.
That's true.
Some MPs are bad mannered. For me, when I say I'm going to return the money, I will return and get a receipt. So therefore, Oscar, this particular one is not enough. I am actually looking for Kadaga first to thank her, but to tell her I want more.
Okay.
If government feeds everybody in my constituency, those who are coming, no, I have already incurring costs. Which one will I return? I have told you I went to Mandela the first time, made an order. The following day I went when they had closed. I even had to call people from their homes to come and give me the second consignment. When they didn't, I called Ofono. He says, now you come to Nachifuma. I have become, a child wants me to go to his store. I want him to come to my home. I don't have to come to your store. And you see what I go through. I called the numbers, she's going through the same thing. So
let us ask Mose.
So I am looking for the MPs who want to return the money after this show. I want to go and they give it to me. When I feed the Kira, or when government feeds Kira, they can come for their money. But now, please,